Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your YouTube videos to create an ad with Sprizzy. The process should take only about 10 minutes or so, and I'm going to show you how you do that right now. I'm on the Sprizzy homepage right now, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. I'll choose my email address and which channel I want to use. After signing in, it says Sprizzy wants to access your Google account. I'm going to go ahead and press allow. I have a little pop-up that says I have to turn off my ad blocker, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. After that, it says please enter your email address, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out and press continue. You can see that my channel is already popped up. I have the option of adding another channel. I'm gonna stick with this one. It says choose a video to get started, so I can go ahead and scroll down to see my most recent videos, or I could use the search to look for a specific video. I know exactly which video I wanna use, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on that one. After clicking on the video I want, it takes me to another page to preview my promotion. I can see how it will look on a YouTube search, YouTube related, and as a commercial. As I scroll down, I can see the campaign name. And it says, besides views, what is your primary goal? I can pick subscribers, like and comments, website views, page likes, and app installs. I'm going to stick with subscribers. And the next step is targeting. Who should see it? Now I can choose a country. I already have United States, Australia, United Kingdom, and Canada up there, and I'm gonna keep it with those four. Are you promoting a song or band? I am not. Which keywords / phrases describe your video? Now you should be able to edit your tags here, but I personally was having a problem with being able to add tags. Hopefully you won't have that problem. So I'm gonna go to the next step for budget. And as far as my budget, ask me how much do I wanna spend? The least amount you could do at a time up here is $50, but it does have its own special up here. If you do 100, you can get 10% more views for free. I decided to look and see if there was any promotions going on right now. I did find one that was supposed to be 50% off, but ultimately it didn't work for me. I was trying to find a tab that might have said apply code, or I was thinking maybe it would just apply on its own after you press continue, but neither one of them worked. Maybe I should have hit enter. I don't know. As far as my schedule, I want to just start immediately and then end when the budget is depleted. And for delivery speed, I want it to take 3 to 7 days so I can see its own progress. After hitting save and continue, it'll take me to my payment method, which I can do a credit card or PayPal. I'm going to go ahead and skip past this process. And now my campaign has been submitted for approval. It should only take about 1 business day to be approved. I also get a referral link, in which case if I share it with other people and they use it, both of us will get 150 free views from Sprizzy. So if you're interested in checking out Sprizzy for yourself, click on the link below in the description and you'll be able to get 150 views for free, as well live, when you sign up. Hopefully this video was useful to you, and if it was, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out from me. And if you're interested in the equipment I use, look in the description box as well for that too. This is Online Income Network. Thanks for watching.